morning, world. Today is Saturday the 18th. That means that it's like my birthday today here in Hawaii with my friends. Even though I already celebrated my birthday last week in Vegas, I was ready to be done with it. We have a party boat today with my friends. So we're starting off the day right and we're going to a farmer's market. Leela and I just got here and we're at the farmer's market. We're gonna get a couple goodies. I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we'll see what this day has in store for us. You say, what is that? So there's this really yummy green juice, but the line is always so freaking long. Are we gonna wait?
I think we're gonna wait.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Okay guys, I have a favorite sandwich. Leela's still waiting in the line, but I'm gonna grab a sandwich because this place is my favorite. So let's go. Progress! Also, this is what we're getting. Cheers! This is the best green smoothie I've ever had. It's so annoying because, like, I swear it's like a smoothie. You can make it at home, but like, oh my gosh, those dogs. But as much as I would try to make this at home, it's just never gonna be as good. Right? Never. Oh, bye-bye. So something really embarrassing is that she went to take pictures of me and I'm sweating all down my dress.
Yeah, how'd you know?
That's avocado. She's like, wait, that's mine. Oh my gosh. Can we just take a moment? Like, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna like get this all over me.
On that is the best.
Oh, I know.
Aioli. Ooh, look, free hummus.
What? We are headed back to the house right now. We just sat down and ate a little bit, and I'm gonna go home and go to sleep because we have a really long day. We have to be back over here by the harbor at like 4:34. So I will see you guys when I'm getting ready for that whole shebang. Shebang bang. Hey vlog, so we woke up from our nap and then I just had to run to Target because we're having an after party today at my house that is PJ theme. So I got my pajamas from Target, going home now, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. I started putting on a swimsuit, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear this one or not. I don't know. You know what it's like? All the attention is on you and you get so stressed out. I like hate when there's like almost like expectation, like because it's like my birthday, you know, I'm gonna have fun, but it's just like I always get so stressed out. Like I want everyone else to have fun too, and like I want to make sure I'm having fun. So it's like, I don't know, is that just me or is anyone else like that? I'm weird. But anyways, we're going home right now and Isaac's home and so are the roommates. And I guess I'll just keep you guys updated. Also, I dyed my hair like before I went to Vegas brown, and my blonde's already coming through again because of the sun. Do you guys think we should dye it darker or keep it like this? Let me know. Okay, we're home. Smells like brownies in here. I smell brownies. Ah! So cute. Yay! You guys, look what my roomies got me. What they're doing for me. They laid me. They're frosting a gluten-free brownie cake, and it's a heart. Guys, look at these just little cute decorations. So cute. Woo! Cole was like, are you guys making me a cake? Is this for me? Is this all about me? Guys, we're in the Uber. We're on our way. If I can do a vlog Vegas, I can do today. Can you though? Yeah, I can.
Anyways, just don't plug the toilet if you...
Wait, I want to be on your vlog. You're on the vlog. 2 or 3 shots. Go.
Talk to me. Hey.
Isaac, what do you have to say? What do you have to say? That's your shawty.
Let's go. Let's go. 21st.
You got it!
Take a picture.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, dear Lauren. Happy birthday to you. All right. Also, can we give a round of applause for DJ?
Are you sure you don't?
Update, we are home, we're off the boat. We're about to have our little house party. It is pajama themed, so I got like a silk dress. This is the birthday sash from Vegas. And everything is set up. I'm gonna give you guys a house tour soon, don't worry. But we're excited. I'll film what I can. Our guard dog is ready. Are you ready, Koa? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good for the vlog, you know.
I forgot to end the rest of this vlog, but I will just see you guys tomorrow morning and I'll explain what happened for the rest of the night today, what happened. But I'm going to bed. It is 4 in the morning, so good night. I just wanted to say that my birthday is officially over after Vegas and this weekend. I am happy to move on and wait a whole nother year for my birthday. I wanted to say thank you to everybody who came, all my friends. You guys are the best. You made my birthday so special. The boat was so much fun. A special thank you to my roommates. You guys are the best roommates ever. Thank you for setting up the little after party and everything. I appreciate you guys. And to my boyfriend, I love you so much. I just feel super duper thankful and I hope I got some good clips. I don't really know how this vlog turned out, but I had a lot of fun semi-making it, and a lot of these videos are from my friends too, so thank you again. I love you guys. Thanks for watching my 21st birthday, Hawaii birthday. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next vlogs. Also, let's take a moment because the sunset right now is so pretty. Like, this view is so pretty. All right, bye.